How to use Preview app on iPhone. First, open the Preview app. You will see New Document or Scan Documents. At the bottom, you will see tabs like Recents, Shared, Browse. To edit PDFs, tap to open any PDF. Scroll to find the text that you want to highlight. Select and long press on it. You can also drag and adjust the selected text. After that, click on Highlight. Next, select the color for the highlight. Now click on the pen icon for markup. A few options will appear. Tap plus. Again, a few options will appear. Click on Add Shape and select your preferred one. You can increase or decrease the size and rearrange it. Next, select Add Signature. A pop-up will appear. Tap Add or Remove Signature to sign with your finger. Now, at the top right, click on the three-dot menu. After that, select the Go to Page option. Next, enter the page number in the respective block. This will make you jump to the page number. Export or share instantly as PDF or image. To edit images, open any image. At the top, tap the three dots. A menu will appear. Tap Rotate Left, Flip Horizontal, or Adjust Size. At the bottom, tap the markup icon. Tap the plus icon. A menu will appear. Select Text. Type the text you want to add, and make any necessary adjustments. At the top, tap the three dots icon again, and select Remove Background. The background will be removed instantly. Export the image in different formats: JPEG, PNG. If you want to scan a document, then tap Scan Documents. Place the camera and document in a proper alignment. This will auto-capture the document. Click on the tick mark to confirm, and it will be auto-saved as PDF. And that's it.